you've never had. You must be willing to do something you have never done.
Your life is your story, and the adventure ahead of you is the journey to fulfill your own purpose and potential. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Primary School Graduation and Farewell Party 2020.
It is such a blessing for us to gather here in this phenomenal occasion. I am Miss Brigitta, and beside me is my partner.
I'm Miss Florence, and it's such an honor for us to guide this momentous occasion. And we do hope that everyone is fine amidst this pandemic.
Yes, we really do hope so. And do you know that Primary School is very well known for its professional facilities, which are very conducive to each student's development. And very reflective, I would say, to Primary School's three main targets: Prime Future, Prime Education, and Prime Life.
Yes, indeed. Primary School has also gained plenty of recognition from the society and has been entrusted to provide a high standard of education and instill good behaviors to the students to pursue their goals and dreams in the future. If you want to know further about Primary School, follow our Instagram at Prime1School.
So, Miss Florence,
Yes.
it makes me curious, what makes this year's graduation different from the previous ones?
Well, what makes it different is this year's graduation ceremony can be watched by everyone globally. And although we are not physically together, we do hope that everyone can have the same graduation vibe.
Yeah, we really do hope so. But ladies and gentlemen, later in this event, we will also have the announcement for Best of the Best students, starting from preschool level until senior high level. And not only that, this one is the most awaited announcement coming from one of the most Primary School prestigious events. It is Mr. and Miss Post 2020-2021.
Yes, so I expect a lot, as today is going to be the day filled with joy and most likely tears. So make sure you don't miss out any single part of this event.
Exactly. And may we extend our warm greetings for the beloved founders, Mr. and Mrs. Amrin Susilo Halim and family,
Dr. Lily Suryati, MMAMA as Center of Director,
our academic director, Dr. Fauzia Hairani Halim Lubis M.
Miss Sylvia Angkasa as Director of AFO,
Senior High Principal, Ms. Rika Susanto B.A. Hans,
Junior High Principal, Miss Giovanni Devana S.A.,
Elementary Principal, Ms. Lini S. Com MPD,
Preschool Principal, Miss Kristana Susan Purba SS,
all the vices, coordinators, teachers, staff, our beloved parents and guardians, graduates, and everyone who is watching this event now. We would like to start this event with a prayer as one of Primary School culture led by Mr. Khoirul.
Dear God, as we virtually gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family in this beautiful moment. Strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Fill us with your peace so that we journey onward. Be present amongst us today. Come bless this graduation and farewell party with unity, hope, and vision. Build in us all a deep respect for one another. Come stir your hope within our heart and renew our faith. May your vision fill our life as we seek to reveal your love. In your name we pray. Amen.
As we are going to start our ceremony very soon, we would like to invite all the audience to stand up and let us welcome the processors.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the processors.
Processors, enter the hall.
standing up as we are going to sing our national anthem and boss anthem.
Now we are going to invite our respected academic director, Dr. Fauzia Harani Halim Lubis MHum, to give a welcoming and inspiring speech.
Good morning, our respectful founders, Mr. Amrin Susilo Halim and Mrs. Yanti Tandiono, our center director, principals, teachers, staff, parents, and our beloved students. I'm honored to present this year's virtual graduations and farewell speech to the graduates of school year 2019-2020. Due to the restrictions on public gatherings during the COVID-19 pandemic, Prime One School had to carry out a different graduation and farewell party. The qualifications will have to be awarded and conveyed for the graduates in absentia by the means of this virtual graduation session. In total, there are 565 graduates from K2 to senior high 3 students who are awarded at this virtual graduation and farewell party. On behalf of the entire Primary School Big Family, I would like to say congratulations on achieving your goals. I do believe that you won't come this far without making effort, showing perseverance in hard times, and having strong commitment to success. Let alone in this recent situation, all of you had to experience studying from home, having a limited movement, being not able to socialize as much as before, but yet you keep on participating in our home-based learning actively. You have shown that you are able to be responsible in your own learning. We are immensely proud of you all. Let me take this time to thank all of the parents for sharing your child's care and guidance with us, and for endlessly supporting us along the way in your growth, especially in this pandemic, with the restrictions we have to comply with. We cannot do it without the help of your parents, so if you are with your parents now, please say a heartfelt thanks to them. I also would like to thank our incredible faculty and staff who dedicate their lives to the education of our future generations. Thanks to your hard work, POS now is an A-accredited SPK school, a feat which all of us should celebrate since it shows our dedication in maintaining and improving the quality of Primary School's education. As a member of society, we have contributed to improve the livelihood of the society around us. We have been actively sharing our knowledge to other schools and organizing sports and cultural events. We also have done a great job in our community services, which include organizing donations for different institutions, visiting and organizing events for the elderly and disabled, and teaching English in the orphanage. As this pandemic may not end in the near future, Primary School has prepared its health protocol as the guidelines and best practice for the management of COVID-19. The protocol includes the guidelines upon entering school, at school, in the classrooms, and going home. Our teachers and staff have undergone training and simulations to make sure we are ready to welcome our students and at the same time minimizing the transmissions of the virus. We also have prepared a home-based learning which provides an opportunity for students to experience an alternative form of meaningful teaching and learning with the use of technology, as well as to practice the traits that the school instills in them at home, which in turn will strengthen family member relationship. And for the school year 2020-2021, we have come up with innovative ideas in our program. Some of them are technology, social science, and linguistics in elementary department, science fiesta and language role play in junior high department, and entrepreneurship activities in senior high department. We have designed those programs with creative and critical thinking based development for all of our students. I believe now you're looking forward to being at school physically as much as we are. So for all of us here, especially the graduates, may your journeys be successful and stunning. May you continue going from hope to actions. And good luck.
Thank you, Ms. Fauzia. And now we are going to hear 4 words from our beloved founder, Mr. Amrin Susilo Halim.
Yang terhormat Bapak dan Ibu, pendidik Primary School, orang tua murid atau wali peserta didik, anak-anak peserta didik yang Bapak sayangi. Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Pertama-tama marilah kita memanjatkan puji syukur kehadiran Tuhan Yang Maha Esa yang telah memberikan berkah, rahmat, dan karunia-Nya. Sehingga pada hari ini kita dapat mengadakan wisuda atau farewell party secara virtual. Wisuda kali ini merupakan wisuda Primary School yang ke-10, Primary School telah meluluskan sebanyak 565 peserta didik untuk tahun ajaran 2019-2020. Dan total selama 10 tahun sebanyak 4.878 peserta didik. Kepada anak-anak kami, saya mewakili seluruh keluarga besar Primary School menyampaikan selamat dan sukses atas keberhasilan kalian menyelesaikan pendidikan di tingkat K2, Elementary 6, Junior High 3, dan Senior High 3. Semoga kemudahan dan kesuksesan selalu menyertai kita. Para pendidik yang lulus dan wisuda pada hari ini telah menjalani masa studi tanpa kenal lelah dan dengan disiplin tinggi. Kalian telah berhasil melalui berbagai tahapan dan tantangan tersendiri, apalagi di masa pandemi COVID-19, di mana kita menerapkan physical distancing sehingga proses belajar mengajar dilakukan di rumah selama beberapa bulan. Hari ini adalah puncaknya saat kalian dinyatakan lulus dan diwisuda. Upacara wisuda bukanlah akhir perjuanganmu, melainkan merupakan langkah awal menuju kehidupan yang baru di masa depan. Saya dan percaya, bekal yang kalian dapatkan selama menempuh pendidikan di Primary School, terutama kemampuan berkomunikasi yang efektif, berpikir kritis, berkreasi, berinovasi, literasi digital, berwawasan global, dan peduli lingkungan, sangat berguna bagi kalian untuk menghadapi berbagai tantangan di era teknologi dan inovasi ini. Kami menyadari bahwa untuk mendapatkan pendidikan yang bermutu, kurikulum pendidikan dan media pendidikan perlu saling melengkapi. Primary School menerapkan kurikulum Cambridge dan berstatus satuan pendidikan kerjasama di mana gurunya terus-menerus mendapat pelatihan mengajar secara berkala dari instruktur Cambridge. Sedangkan media pendidikan yang merupakan sarana, fasilitas, atau segala alat fisik yang dapat menyajikan pesan dan merangsang pembelajaran efektif baik di dalam kelas maupun di luar kelas akan terus-menerus kami sediakan, rawat, perbaikan, dan kami remajakan sesuai kebutuhan kegiatan belajar mengajar, seperti laboratorium dan bahan eksperimen, alat peraga, lapangan olahraga, kolam renang, buku bacaan perpustakaan, taman, kebun, dan hewan. Primary School sudah menyusun tindakan-tindakan preventif dengan melakukan sterilisasi fasilitas-fasilitas belajar mengajar secara menyeluruh dan ketentuan-ketentuan penghindaran penyebaran COVID-19 sesuai protokol kesehatan dalam rangka waktu pembelajaran tatap muka yang ditentukan oleh pemerintah. Kedepannya, Primary School berkomitmen akan terus berusaha memenuhi tuntutan kebutuhan pendidikan agar peserta didik dapat mengembangkan dan menguatkan potensi dirinya semaksimal mungkin untuk menjadi generasi penerus yang berguna bagi nusa dan bangsa Indonesia. Untuk anak-anak sekalian, jangan lupa seperti selalu diingatkan oleh para guru di Primary School mengenai 36 kultur sekolah, di antaranya yaitu selalu berdoa, berbakti kepada orang tua, selalu belajar, dan bersemangat mengembangkan kemampuan dimanapun kalian berkarya, serta berbuat baik pada sesama harus terus kalian tanamkan dalam pikiran dan terapkan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Mr. Amrin, for the forwards. Now we have come to the long-awaited moment for today. It is
The graduation ceremony. Without further ado, let us welcome the graduates reader, Ms. Raisa Dinasari Esrabella S.A. for Junior High 3 graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 George Washington with the homeroom, Mr. Gail Hamo Punzalan, Bachelor of Science. Akbar Mahardi, the son of Dr. Andes H.M. Hardi Effendi and Dr. Anda Haja Yunitasari Hutagalung. Andro Nyoman, the son of Mr. Adrian and Mrs. Pig Egg. Brian Hartono, the son of Mr. Budi Hartono and Mrs. Yeni.
Carlos Tionata, the son of Mr. Effendi and Mrs. Ernie.
Christine Rusley, the daughter of Mr. Joseph Rusley and Mrs. Xiao Hui. Clara Aurelia Koanata, the daughter of Mr. Stefanus Koanata S.A. and Mrs. Susie S.A.
Evan Kusuma, the son of Mr. Yusuf Kusuma and Mrs. Meti Salim.
Felicia Caronina, the daughter of Mr. Rudiar Sembiring STMT and Dr. Florencia Glosinia. Felix, the son of Mr. Terry Varianto and Mrs. Rika. Galvant Chiuven, the son of Mr. Gunawan Hustra and Mrs. Lenny Gunawan. Hilary Nancy Hubert, the daughter of Mr. George Hubert and Mrs. Desi Prima Suaka. Howard Johanchu, the son of Mr. Johanchu Kimin and Mrs. Suryawati Gunawan S.A. Janice Josephine Lee, the daughter of Mr. Lee Yupeng and Mrs. Mary. Jeremy Ari Emmanuel, the son of Dr. Harry Butar-Butar and Mrs. Gracia Christie M. Tambunan S. Sos. Jaslyn Susanto, the daughter of Mr. Harry Susanto and Mrs. Chunlan. Jessica, the daughter of Mr. Gulraj Singh and Mrs. Yana Ongso. Jay Newton, SCI, the son of Dr. Marnalom Ompusungu and Dr. Timoria Situmorang. Casey Billy, the son of Mr. Siafian Chia and Mrs. Weni Go. Kenjiro Lim, the son of Mr. Selamat Chantriwani and Mrs. Kartini. Kesha Agnes Datu Talupadang, the daughter of Mr. Robinson Talupadang SIP MH and Mrs. Asihar Talulembang SA. Marcelo Jumaga Simanjuntak, the son of Mr. Wanton Ha Simanjuntak ST and Mrs. Miduk Marsaulina ST. Melisha Utomo, the daughter of Mr. Toto Utomo and Mrs. Yeni Sulastri. Muhammad Sabiha Al-Hafiz Ketaren, the son of Mr. Alexander Ketaren SH and Mrs. Afridaneli. Nadia Talencia Chow, the daughter of Mr. Muhammad Daud Chow and Mrs. Meliani Chowi. Nicholas Avril Langsana, the son of Mr. Ketak and Mrs. Natalin. Paul Gadil Juan, the son of Mr. David S.A. and Mrs. Juliana Polim S.A. Rian Marco Adrial Barus, the son of Mr. Syahputra Barus and Mrs. Sepmawati Berutarigan SKM. Richika Wiguna, the daughter of Mr. Tommy and Mrs. Lau Mei Lee. Samuel S. Luli, the son of Mr. Dixon Luli MTH and Dr. Noran Neti Margareta Silalahi. Stacia Koanata, the daughter of Mr. Darwin and Mrs. Nia Natalia. Tasvir Kaur, the daughter of Mr. Amberjit Singh and Mrs. Hardip Kaur S.A. Vino Andreas Purba, the son of Mr. Mikhail T.P. Purba and Mrs. Noverita Pangaribuan. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 Abraham Lincoln with homeroom Miss Noviana Baru Sarjana Pendidikan. Alia Rahima Zahra, the daughter of Mr. Zul Asmi S.A. and Mrs. Asrina Sari S.A. Arel Putra Yuswardi, the son of Mr. Teguh Yuswardi Sik M.H. and Mrs. Teti Herawati A.M.D. Karin Cleopatra Toknadi, the daughter of Mr. Tondi and Mrs. Lee Chen. Cinta Zalfa Salsabila, the daughter of Mr. Irianto Irawadi and Mrs. Noviani. Daniel Sadikun, the son of Insinyur Bukit Sadikun and Mrs. Deliana. Devin Jevaraj, the son of Mr. Siwaji Raja S.A. and Mrs. Sugita. Dewi Erika Salim, the daughter of Mr. Darmawan and Mrs. Yanti. Edward, the son of Mr. Eng Chuang Seng and Mrs. Tam Che Chong.
Farhan Valdish Dillon, the son of Mr. Anil Dillon and Mrs. Paramjit Kaur.
Felicia Lim, the daughter of Mr. Jimmy Lim and Mrs. Lim Widya Halim. Gilbert Joslim, the son of Mr. Morrison and Mrs. Susiwati. Hansen, the son of Mr. Elok and Mrs. Herna S.A. Ian Navin Lowry, the son of Mr. Arubi Lim S.A. and Mrs. Mildawati France S.A. Jaslyn Emily, the daughter of Mr. Tony Winata and Mrs. Sri Anggreni Nasution. Juan Nicosio Siagian, the son of Mr. Posman Siagian and Mrs. Niki. Rahma Sartika, the daughter of Mr. Henry Ardiansyah and Mrs. Sylvia Anggraini.
S.S. Vinesh Raj, the son of the late Selwa Rajan and Mrs. Malni. Simon Perez Barus, the son of Dr. Perez Libarus SPOG and Dr. Sri Ulina Ginting SPM.
Stanley Ong, the son of Mr. Patrick Ongsono and Mrs. Sylvia. Shaman Zafik Tri Aprino Pasaribu, the son of Mr. Syafruddin Pasaribu S.A. and Mrs. Ervina Novalita S.A. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 Nelson Mandela with homeroom Mr. Sandrov Bagskara Exaudi Simanung Khalid Sarjana Pendidikan. Alex Chandra, the son of Mr. Angga Chandra and Mrs. Agus Erlina.
Annalise Sheraton, the daughter of the late Hanmin and Mrs. Wanti. Angelica Darin Gonakan, the daughter of Mr. Bernard S.A. and the late Achwanti S.A.
Calista Giovanni Tobing, the daughter of Mr. Fernando L. Tobing SP MSE and Mrs. Sandy M.V. Purba. Cecilia Philiberts, the daughter of Mr. Gunawan Lee and Mrs. Xiao Ling. Edward Aprilian Salim, the son of Mr. Ongo Salim and Mrs. Lina. Felicia Viana, the daughter of Mr. Hartono Tajudin S.A. and Mrs. Anna. Harrison, the son of Mr. Anto Este and Mrs. Ani Sudimin. Jessie Charidon Neo, the daughter of Mr. Juyamin and Mrs. Susan Tandias S.A. Joanna Christine Sirait, the daughter of Mr. Johnson Samuel Sirait SP and Mrs. Ratna Juwita Tambunan SP. Jocelyn, the daughter of Mr. Irianto and Mrs. Lim Chan Chan.
Jordan, the son of Mr. Yanto Tean S.A. and Mrs. Yeni Chakra S.S.
Jovelyn Johnson, the daughter of Mr. R. Johnson and Mrs. Lee May. Joyce Marvelin, the daughter of Mr. Jono Salim and Mrs. Mariana Este. Kezia Salsalina Agiti Rasabayang, the daughter of Insinyur Agus Tavib Asra Sebayang MBA and Dr. Endang Setirna MKM. Clarissa Witania, the daughter of Mr. Razali and Mrs. Yeni. Magnus Yunus, the son of Mr. Tamrin Yati S.A. and Mrs. Chen Chen Lee. Marcel Winargo, the son of Mr. Johnny and Mrs. Suryawita S.A. Marcella Simpati, the daughter of Mr. Sim Beng Hock and Mrs. Tan Rosdiani. Michael Ang, the son of Mr. Mosley Ang and Mrs. Priscilla Chandra.
Nadira Hasiana Siregar, the daughter of Dr. Ginda Hasian Siregar SPOG and Dr. Cut Arya Arina SPS.
Putra Haganta Tarigan, the son of Mr. Herman Tarigan and Mrs. Nurheli Pinem. Rachel Lenora Gozali, the daughter of Mr. Kevin Gozali, Bachelor of Business, and Mrs. Elizabeth Ng, Diploma of Business. Rajaya Sasinaga, the son of Mr. Oloan M.T. Sinaga and Mrs. Leni Marlina Sitorus. Richard Brian Cuthbert, the son of Mr. Choa Wee Wang S.A. and Mrs. Henny Wijaya S.A. Sharon Freely, the daughter of Mr. Johnny Joe and Mrs. Maria Pang. Sophie Marin, the daughter of Mr. Marty S.A. and Mrs. Doreen S.A.
Valentino Laki, the son of Mr. Effendi S.S. and Mrs. Rukiati S.A.
Valerie Chowi, the daughter of Mr. Sugianto S.A. and Mrs. Limi Yuneli S.A. Vera Nataria, the daughter of Mr. Salamat and Mrs. Suwarni. Vincent Wilbert, the son of Mr. Sulungto and Mrs. Suyati Asnan. Justin Ignacia Wuvanka, the daughter of Mr. Effendi S.T. and Mrs. Ira Juliana S.A. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 Joko Widodo with the homeroom. Miss Cindy Dwi Riani, Bachelor of Science.
Abner Juan, the son of Mr. Hartono and Mrs. Oe Hui San.
Albert Theo Advenson, the son of Mr. Eddie Theo and Mrs. Lee Fen. Brian Chandra Wirawan, the son of Mr. Chandra and Mrs. Eva Sriani Ng. Corina Arden Shaw, the daughter of Mr. Roby and Mrs. Alice Parida Leo. Darren Alwinson, the son of Mr. Alwi and Mrs. Astiani Gozali. Delvin Wilson, the son of Mr. William Toong S.A. and Mrs. Juliani S.A. Edward Wijaya, the son of Mr. Stephen Wijaya and Mrs. Christine. Elroy Naldo Girsang, the son of Mr. Elonsius Girsang S.A. and Mrs. Hotmada Mayani Boru Saragi. Farhan Hafiz Olowan Siregar, the son of Mr. Harimantua Dibata Siregar S.A. and Mrs. Munawaroh S.A. Felix Sandro Emmanuel Sihombing, the son of Mr. Ferry Sihombing and Mrs. Shamsia Pasaribu. Felicia Evelyn, the daughter of Mr. Suwanto and Mrs. Chandrawati. Frederick Brent Lewis, the son of Mr. Christian Lubisono S.A. and Mrs. Verawati. Gabriela Josri Tiovania Tambunan, the daughter of Mr. Joshua Tambunan S.A. and Mrs. Rosemary Krishna Tiarmian Panggabean SPD. Hafiz Budiarja, the son of Mr. Sandi Wijaya and Mrs. Lely Novita Sembiring. Jason Alexius Chandra, the son of Mr. Eric Chandra and Mrs. Lini Sutiono Theo. Kirenius Jonathan Parulian Sibarani, the son of Mr. Kennedy Nasib P. Sibarani SH and Dr. Rosa Ederita Hasugian. Maureen Aurelia Chandelin, the daughter of Mr. Andy Chen and Mrs. Melina. Muhammad Fatir, the son of Mr. Noviardi S.A. and Mrs. Zul Fifa.
Nicholas Yu, the son of Mr. Wijaya Yunus and Mrs. Shili Sri Wahyuni.
Novita Sari, the daughter of Mrs. Dewi Suryani. Paba Vasuka, the son of Mr. Usman and Mrs. Rosni.
Patrick Willie, the son of Mr. Lee Jan Johnson and Mrs. Hong Siang.
Rachel Okto Davina, the daughter of Mr. Christian Toto and Mrs. Erlina Sari Nasution. Ravelin Gonzalez, the daughter of Mr. Yusuf Sulaiman and Mrs. Ida Juniati. Reisha Berlian Anggita Tarihoran, the daughter of Dr. Udu Tarihoran SPPD IFOK Finasim and Dr. Irma Doliseria Siregar M. Biomed AAM IFOK. Samuelson Kristianto Siregar, the son of Mr. Asa Binsar Siregar SAMSE and Mrs. Vera Hotmaida Panjaitan SA. Sherlyn Gracias Lee, the daughter of Mr. Agus Lee and Mrs. Indah Puspita. Stephanie Faith Emanuela Sitorus, the daughter of Dr. Arnalom Sitorus and Mrs. Santi Sincerely Siahaan. Sydney, the daughter of Mr. Suparhan and Mrs. Chianani. Valencia, the daughter of Mr. Erwin and Mrs. Irene. Vincent Liawis, the son of Mr. Liao Sheching and Mrs. Invia Valerie. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 John Fitzgerald Kennedy with homeroom, Miss Piolina SSME Com. Bill Colson Wijaya, the son of Mr. Jimmy Wijaya, Bachelor of Science, and Mrs. Veronica. Calvin Liu, the son of Mr. Andi Putra and Mrs. Christina Oneri Ilken. Celine Ruby El Salim, the daughter of Mr. Michael Ruby and Mrs. Rachel. Charlene Taura Utrisia, the daughter of Mr. Suwanto and Mrs. Jenny. Crystalline Shafi'i, the daughter of Mr. Hardy Shafi'i and Mrs. Mary. Cynthia Aiko, the daughter of Mr. Rudy S.A. and Mrs. Wiyanti S.A.
Daniela Wivi Moksa, the daughter of Mr. Hendra Moksa and the late Ervina.
Diana Tok, the daughter of Mr. Kennedy Gunawan and Mrs. Junawati Juliati. Edward, the son of Mr. Quisin and Mrs. Susiwati. Eldrick McQuire Kierin, the son of Mr. Eric Pranolo and Mrs. Rina. Gavlin Vida Augustin, the daughter of Mr. Pelle and Mrs. Rika Sandra. Gilbert Olister, the son of Mr. Ali Martoporusli and Mrs. Yeni Wijaya. Graciela Lim, the daughter of Mr. Sofian Alim and Mrs. Mariana Suharjono. Ivory Alwen Ang, the daughter of Mr. Suyadi Ang S.A. and Mrs. Kwanlina Goh S.S. Jessica Chelsea Su, the daughter of Mr. Suwandi and Mrs. Yenisia. Jocelyn Gatot, the daughter of Mr. Teddy Gatot and Mrs. Masita Nasution.
Kelly Prasna Putri Tanadi, the daughter of Mr. Wan Hui and Mrs. Mindy.
Megan Elizabeth Yeo, the daughter of Mr. Budi and Mrs. Sumiana.
Michael Ballard Isaiah Silain, the son of Mr. Sondang Silain MBA and Mrs. Friska Panjaitan SIP.
Michael Lee, the son of Mr. William Ong and Mrs. Lina. Natasha, the daughter of Mr. Burhan and Mrs. Masriani. Nicholas Kennedy Teguh, the son of Mr. Jono Teguh and Mrs. Maida Thenesia. Petra Pranata Tarigan Sibero, the son of Mr. Herman Tarigan and Mrs. Nurheli Pinem. Richie Wijaya, the son of Mr. Budi Mulia Wijaya. Sarah Athala, the daughter of Mr. Rusdi Bicom and Mrs. Cici Irmayani S.A. Saruni Asri Pertiwi, the daughter of Mr. Faisal and Mrs. Suri Lestari. Tiara Natacha Sembiring, the daughter of Mr. Jaya Sembiring and Mrs. Elma Erika Ginting. Velika Filbert, the daughter of Mr. Asnawi and Mrs. Niti. Vaseline Suwandi, the daughter of Mr. Suwandi Utomo and Mrs. Lena Jutarso. Vindi Arya Angiono, the son of Mr. Henry Paripurna Angiono and Mrs. Lina Lo. Winnie Tio Chuardi, the daughter of Mr. Hendy Santoso Tio and Mrs. Lisnawati. Zuveldo Antonio Kunata, the son of Mr. Zulfikar Anton and Mrs. Rohani Wijaya. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the graduates from Junior High 3 Sukarno with the homeroom. Mr. Alfia Thafania, the daughter of Mr. Muhammad Yazir El Dalimunte and Mrs. Sinta Gustiawati. Andro Joshua Geraldo Tarigan, the son of Mr. Andreas Harpenta Tarigan and Mrs. Nomi Herlina Bangun. Axel Beltnardo Tarigan, the son of Dr. Randus Ian Effendi F. Tarigan and Insinyur Kasteria Ginting. Bastian Tandian, the son of Mr. Kasim and Mrs. Lolina.
Bryson Zivan Tanadi, the son of Mr. Wedi Chandra and Mrs. Henny Mawarni. Alista Winata, the daughter of Mr. Aman and Mrs. Joa Getsim.
Christine Winargo, the daughter of Mr. Go Chitung S.A. MBA and Mrs. Sandra S.A. Darren Wanvago, the son of Mr. Johan Makmur and Mrs. Maylinda. Doni Sastrawan Tarigan, the son of Mr. Darmawan Tarigan and Mrs. Sri Astuti Beruginting. Faris Arik Karo, the son of Mr. Amos F. Karo MAP and Dr. Siska A. Lubis SPKK. Felicia Angelo, the daughter of Mr. Da Hasan and Mrs. Josie. Fidelia Wendolin, the daughter of Mr. Ricky Suwandi Wong and Mrs. Ernie Chuarman. Gilan Ginra Chang, the son of Mr. Juheri Chandra and Mrs. Yeni Shetra. Christine Angeline Gloria Mangunsong, the daughter of Insinyur Robinson Mangunsong and Mrs. Rosita Sarage. Jason Henrico Halim, the son of Mr. Halim Suwardi and Mrs. Risa Mariana.
Jacqueline Etaner, the son of Mr. Hendra Tan and the late Nelly Jo.
Julita, the daughter of Mr. Tamin and Mrs. Rina. Kevin Ko, the son of Mr. Chan In John and Mrs. Tatik Chandra. Louisa Princess Gunawan, the daughter of Mr. Henry Gunawan and Mrs. Rosie Kwok. M. Johanif, the son of Mr. M. Ilham and Mrs. Zakia.
Muhammad Rafli Al-Saufi Dalimunte, the son of Haji Harun Al-Rashid Dalimunte and Hajjah Karim Imelda.
Maximilian Evan Tanujaya, the son of Mr. Eric Este and Mrs. Wilma Kalinata. Michael Sutanto, the son of Mr. Cahyadi and Mrs. Irawati SS. Nurliza Ishira Alia Lubis, the daughter of Mr. M. Edwin Syahputra Lubis and Mrs. Nurmila Kadar Sipohan. Peter Wijaya, the son of Mr. Suwandi Wijaya and Mrs. Hani. Saidina Azara, the daughter of Mr. Musa Idisha and Mrs. Dini Agustini. Shanfred Wibowo, the son of Mr. Eric Wibowo and Mrs. Surya Megawati. Stasia Lev Faustino Tamangan, the daughter of Mr. Colin Gwip Owen Tamangan and Mrs. Rebecca Faustino Tamangan. Tobias Dominic Emmanuel, the son of Mr. David and Mrs. Winnie Gunawan. Vito Faustin, the son of Mr. Lim Tian Kiu and Mrs. Erlina. Wilbert Kenny Lee, the son of Mr. Effendi and Mrs. Mawar. Vincent Gobert, the son of Mr. Ko Che Chen and Mrs. Surina Faida.
Today is an event that evokes different feelings and emotions for students. Excitement and anticipation of beginning a new phase of life, sadness in leaving a place that has nurtured you for 3 years, trepidation in contemplating what lies ahead, joy and satisfaction for what has been achieved and will be in the upcoming stage of learning the senior high level. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and hard work. You will soon be Prime One School senior high learners. I wish you the very best with this next exciting phase of your life. Look back with a fondness at the time you have spent and know that you will always be welcome.
The graduation ceremonies were surely a touching moment for everyone, right, Miss Flo?
Yes, indeed, especially for our senior high 3 graduates, as they might not meet each other as often anymore.
It's a sad truth, but all the memories they have made will have a special place in their hearts. By the way, Prime One School is very well known for its performance in all events. And today, to complete this memorable day, there will be a singing performance. This is very special because it is the collaboration by Board of Management and also teachers. This is dedicated for everyone who is fighting to cut the spread of COVID-19. This is Indonesia Bisa.
Kuatlah kau Indonesiaku, cobaan datang silih berganti, namun aku meyakini engkau sekuat Garudaku. Kau dan aku satu hati, kita berjuang bersama. Aku di rumah, kita di rumah, belajar berkarya kita bisa meski di rumah saja. Mari doakan gugus tugas kita, mari doakan Indonesia bisa. Bangkitlah bangkit kembali, mari berjuang demi nusa bangsa. Kini aku meyakini engkau sekuat Garudaku. satu hati, kita berjuang bersama. Aku di rumah, kita di rumah, belajar berkarya kita bisa, meski di rumah saja. Mari doakan gugus tugas kita, mari doakan Indonesia bisa.
Terima kasih kami ucapkan pada jiwa-jiwa yang mulia. Berkorban demi kemanusiaan, pengorbananmu sungguh nyata.
Tak sanggup kutahan tetes air mata. Cinta buatmu pahlawan bangsa. Kini waktunya menjaga kita bersama untuk kejayaan Indonesia.
Aku di rumah, kita di rumah, belajar berkarya kita bisa, meski di rumah saja. Mari doakan gugus tugas kita, mari doakan Indonesia bisa. Aku di rumah, kita di rumah, belajar berkarya kita bisa, meski di rumah saja. Mari doakan gugus tugas kita, mari doakan Indonesia bisa.
As mentioned earlier, we will announce the best of the best students. Let's welcome Miss Giovanni Devana SA to read out the best of the best students for junior high level.
Good morning, junior high prime schoolers. I'm Giovanni, the principal of junior high. I would like to announce the best of the best students for school year 2019-2020. Can't wait to know them. Alright, congratulations to the third best student of Junior High 1, school year 2019-2020, Liana Chandra. Moving on to the second best student of Junior High 1, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Justin Tanoto. Coming up to the best of the best student of Junior High 1, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Calista Aurelia Chan. Moving on to the Junior High 2 level, congratulations to the third best student of Junior High 2, school year 2019-2020, Juan Carlos Sinulinga. Coming up, the second best student of Junior High 2, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Jessie Nanet Hasian Tampu Bolon. Now, the best of the best student of Junior High 2, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Cindy Austin. Coming up, the Junior High 3 best of the best students, let us welcome the third best student of Junior High 3, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Crystalline Shafi. Second best student of Junior High 3, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Velika Filbert. Now, the best of the best student of Junior High 3, school year 2019-2020, congratulations to Winnie Tiochuardi.
So, Miss Florence.
Yes, Miss.
After the graduation ceremonies and also announcing the names for the BOBs, do you know that this event would definitely be not complete without this one?
Yes, I don't, Miss Gita.
This one is the most awaited announcement coming from Mr. and Miss Post 2020-2021. Are you ready?
Yes, I can wait no longer, Miss Gita. Now, let's just welcome Miss Vina Pratiwi SA to announce the winners of Mr. and Miss Post 2020-2021.
Hi everyone, I would like to announce the result for Mr. Miss Post 2020-2021. For the best speech, the students are Ripka Uliani Malau and Joshua Tongat Hasiholan Surbakti. For the best talents, Benediva Boas Ambarita and Rado Islam Sah Reskian. For the best outfit, Berling and Albert Lisman. For Miss Favorite, Jessie Nanet Hasian Tampu Bolon. Mr. Favorite, Halbert Howie Limnois. So let's welcome the Miss Prime 1 School 2020-2021, Ivana Olivera Sutrisno. And Mr. Prime 1 School 2021, congratulations, Maxwell.
Unfortunately, we have come to the end of this graduation ceremony today. But before we officially end this graduation ceremony, we would like to invite Mr. Hoirul to lead us in the closing prayer.
Dear God, your word is a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. Thank you that we can live in your light and walk in your truth. May the things that we have revealed and thought that we have shared dwell in our heart and steer us to action. We want to give honor to you, though we are physically separated due to COVID-19. To this moment is still unforgettable. Thank you for the time we have had here today. Let your hand of protection be on us. In your name we pray, Amen.
We would like to remind everyone to stay safe and healthy by conducting the health protocols such as washing hands frequently,
Putting on masks anywhere you go, and don't forget to conduct physical distancing.
On behalf of Primary School Committee, we would like to thank everyone who has been sparing their time in watching this event now.
Last but not least, congratulations to all the graduates, Best of the Best Students School Year 2019-2020, and Mr. and Miss Post 2020-2021.
The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams.
And wherever you go, go with all your heart.
Once again, it's such a great honor for us to be here with all of you today. I am Miss Brigitta.
And I'm Miss Florence.
Goodbye and see you again.